In this video I will show you how to get a mending enchantment inside of Minecraft. To do that, first off, the easiest way is to go over to a village and go over to the bell right here and ring it a few times so all of the villagers go to their home. After all of the villagers go to their home, find a home that has a villager that has no job. This is what a jobless villager looks like. If you can't find one that is jobless, you can try destroying their workstation and they will automatically transform into a jobless villager. Now, after you find the house with the jobless villager, like I did right here, you will need to block it off so the villager doesn't leave. Another thing that I need to mention is that it's really important for you to not have traded with this villager in the past. If you have, this will not work. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, the first thing that you will need is a lectern. A lectern basically turns your jobless villager into a librarian when you place it, and I'll show you the recipe on how to craft a lectern on the screen right now. You will need 4 wooden slabs and a bookshelf. As you see, as soon as I place the lectern, my jobless villager turned into a librarian. Now when I right click it, I get trades. But as you can see, there is no mending right here. So I can repeat the process of breaking the lectern and placing it all over again, and the librarian will keep changing his trades. As you can see, it just changed, and you should repeat this process until you get the mending book. But I need to mention that this breaking of the lectern and placing it all over again might take a while, so be persistent and do not give up. And as you can see, I just got the mending book from my villager right here. And as you can see, I can get that enchanted book for only 1 normal book and 28 emeralds. Let's get those. Now I can right click my librarian once again, add the book, then add the emeralds, and now I have gotten the enchanted mending book. Then this librarian will remain a librarian that has the enchanted mending book forever, so you can get unlimited mending books from that same librarian. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.